Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of matrices. Matrices are powerful mathematical tools used in varieties of fields like computer science, data science, physics. Now, in this video, we will explain what is matrices, different type of matrices, and its properties. Now, first we define matrices. First is the mathematical definition. A system of m cross n numbers arranged in the form of m rows and n columns is called m cross n matrix. It is our mathematical definition. Actually, the definition says that when we have some collection of number, then that collection of number arranged by some way, that proper way, that means that special type of way arrange of those elements is called matrix. Like we have uh, m cross n means mn number of elements, then we want to arrange those element in this format like a11, just assume it, a12, so on, a1n, a21, a22, similarly a2n, am1, am2, amn. Observe that we arrange those element in the format of rows. This is called rows, our, and these elements are called column. Okay, so the arrangement of element is called matrices. If the arrangement is in this format. Okay, now this is called m cross n matrix because of m rows, 1 rows, 2 rows, similarly dot dot dot, m rows, n column, first column, second column, similarly for n column. Okay, this is called m cross n matrices. Now you can say that the what is the real life application of matrices. Observe that in data science field, this is the most trending field. Like we have some table column format data like name, roll number, and observe marks, student name. Like for example, a is the student name, roll number 1, marks is obtained 98. Similarly, student B, roll number 2, and marks obtained like 95, and so on. If we want to put this data or for formatting or arrangement this data, how we can arrange? This can be arranged by matrices like this. There are so many applications, but here is the example of matrices. Okay, another thing, how many element in present a matrices, that means how many element is present here. It is present here m n number of element. You can count, this is the total count of this element in matrices is mn, that means m multiply n. Okay, when m equal to n, then we can say that the matrix is square matrix. Like for example 1 0 0 2, this is 2 cross 2 matrix, 2 rows, 2 column. This is called square matrix. Similarly, you can obtain 3 cross 3 matrices. If m not equal to n, then we can say that this matrix is not square matrix. Okay, this is all about the matrix definitions. First, the matrix is nothing but a arrangement of numbers. Okay, there are so many application of matrices present in here. Okay, now go for the type of matrices. First type, diagonal matrix. First, observe that what is diagonal. The element in the first row. Observe, here is the second element. Similarly for this type of, if a element present this diagonal along diagonal, then then the element is called the diagonal element. If the another term here, here are all zero, then that matrix is called the diagonal matrix. Okay, we need do not interested about this element are zero or not zero, but the remaining element here must be zero. Okay, observe that the example of diagonal matrices 1 0 0 1, this is also a diagonal matrices, because we already talk about what is diagonal matrices. If a matrices have zero element except the diagonal element, okay, we don't interest about the diagonal element but interest about the remaining part of diagonal element, they are zero, then we call that those matrices are diagonal matrices. Now you can say that, is this diagonal matrices? Yes, obviously, because close this part, another remaining part are zero, so this is also a diagonal matrices example here. So the diagonal element may be zero, may not be zero, we are not interested on it, but the remaining part must be zero. Is this diagonal element diagonal matrices? Not, this is not a diagonal matrix, because the remaining part here non-zero element is here present here 1, so this is not a diagonal matrix. Okay, now go for scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? A matrix of the form like this. Here first observe that all things are discussed on square matrix. Every matrix should be square format. We take 3 cross 3 matrix here. This is called scalar matrix. Observe that every diagonal element must be equal and fixed by a scalar. This is called scalar matrix. Okay, now take some example of scalar matrix. Is this scalar matrix? Yes, because of there are fixed element here a equal to 1, so this is a scalar matrix. Observe that, is this a scalar matrix? Not, because of here a equal to 1, a equal to 1, but here a equal to 0, this is not a scalar matrix. Yes, it is diagonal matrix, but it's not a scalar matrix. Okay, is the zero matrix is scalar matrix? This is called zero matrix because of all element are zero. Yes, because here a equal to 0 everywhere, so this is also a scalar matrix, example of scalar matrix. Okay, and okay, I now this is called identity matrix, you can remember it. Now I want to discuss about unique matrix. Unique matrix is nothing but a scalar matrix. Observe that when take a equal to 1, then what will be the our answer in the case of scalar matrix? This is called unit matrix. So a unit matrix is also a scalar matrix because every element are fixed. This is called unit matrix, and you can say that also called identity matrix. Okay, now another type of matrix, which is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. What is triangular matrix? If a matrix gives some triangular form, then that matrix is called triangular matrix. How the matrix gives triangular format? Let example 1 2 3 0 1 2 0 0 2. Now observe that it gives a triangular format. Another remaining part is 0. Yes or not? Yes. So this type of formatting or this type of matrices is called triangular matrix. Okay. Now another example. Observe here. This is also give a triangular format. The main thing is we don't interest, or we have never interest in the belonging element in triangular. That elements are maybe 0 or not 0. We are not interested about the element in triangular, but the remaining element must be 0. Okay, then we call those matrices is triangular matrices. Okay, this type of matrices is called upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix because we get triangular in upper side, and this is called lower triangular matrices because we get a triangle in lower side. Now you can give me answer, this is upper triangular or lower triangular. This is any give me answer of triangular matrices. This is not a upper triangular, not a lower triangular, because you draw a triangle in the lower case, the remaining elements should be must be 0. So this is not a lower triangular. And the upper triangular case, draw a upper triangular, the remaining part should be 0, but here 1 present, so this is not also a upper triangular matrix. Okay, now what about this matrix? This matrix is upper triangular and lower triangular also, because you draw a upper triangular, the remaining part 0, so this is upper triangular, and make a lower triangular, the remaining part 0. Okay, so this is also a lower triangular matrix. So 0 matrix is also upper triangular and lower triangle also. Okay, next video should be properties of matrices, and thank you